Hello. I just wanted to show anyone that was interested this gold leaf and imitation gold leaf, Slag Metal, I think in Dutch. Must be a Dutch thing. Anyway, just wanted to show you this in preparation for the workshop that I'm holding on Sunday, all day, in Art Minds. Art shop in Rathmines. So you can go to my website www.McSherryStudio.com and see more details there if you're interested. So the stuff we'll be using, we do the painting in acrylics, and then we'll leaf the thing, gild it, in this stuff here. And here's a little bit of it here. Let me see if we show that to you there. There's a little bit there. And this stuff, look at it, it's completely, look at that. This stuff is wafer thin. It's unbelievably thin, I don't know. Maybe it's a molecule thick. But anyway, I don't have the calipers fine enough to judge. But this is the stuff, and look at it. It sticks to your fingers, you know, the moisture that you have on your fingers. Here we go, where's the camera? There, this stuff is so very fine. And it wafts off. Wafts. Look at it waft. So it's a little bit difficult to use. But if you think that that is fine, that's imitation gold, Slag Metal. I have some real gold here. This is 23 carat gold, if I can only get it out of the envelope. Here. This is real gold here. That's 23 carat gold. And if you thought the last stuff was thin, this stuff is... It will absolutely just disintegrate and fly around the room if you're not very careful with it. And we won't be using real gold because it's too expensive, and two, it's kind of hard to use. You need to get used to it. But there's a full sheet. There's a full sheet beaten from one of my own gold teeth. Okay, there you go. So that's the stuff we'll be using at the workshop. We're going to paint little acrylic on boards, little acrylic paintings of whatever you want to do. It could be cherries, could be fruit, something simple, could be a little bird or whatever. We'll have photographic references. We'll paint the object, and then we'll prepare the background and leaf the background and make something beautiful. So I hope you can join me. There are still places left, so do get in touch. And you can call me on 086 247 0737, or go to the website or email me at kevinmcsherryartist@gmail.com. Okay, so I hope to see you there. Bye.